Hello everyone. Welcome everyone to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope all is well today and hope all are blessed today. I am blessed. So I'm going to read my scripture and I'm going to take it from Job 22:21. Acquaint now thyself with him and be at peace. Therefore, good shall come unto thee. Job 22:21. Okay. I have called thee by name, thou art mine. Isaiah 43:1. Thank you so much. Okay. I'm getting ready now to make a pot of soup, vegetable beef soup. I have a small package of beef tips here. Okay? Now a small package of beef tips that I'm going to be putting in.
Hold on, y'all. She's gonna go wash the beef tips, so just hold on.
I'm back. I have 1 pound of beef tips. All right, and I'll be cooking them in this pot on the stove. Okay, I'm going to pour them all in. This is I have a little bit of vegetable broth.
Oh, okay.
It's in there already.
And she put vegetable broth already there a little bit.
And then I'm going to use a can of beef broth. Okay. Now, okay. This is anyway. I've got some onion soup mix I will be putting in also. I'm gonna use the whole package. You did see the vegetable broth that I'm putting in. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna add. I think this is about 6 ounces of water. And I'll be adding to the beef broth. Okay. This is my onion powder. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Okay. Not complete. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting in a half can of diced tomatoes. A half can of tomato sauce. You see that? Okay. Okay. Now I have just a very tiny bit of table salt. Okay. Now, I have a little bit of, I have some little pieces of garlic I will be cutting up in here also. This is the whole garlic cloves. Okay. I'm putting 2 of those in there. All right, now, I have here is my potatoes, carrots, celery, and sweet peppers and bell peppers also will be going in. Everything is going in the pot at once. This is a 1 pot soup, vegetable soup. Okay, and now I'll be putting in my onions also. Okay. That's about 1/4 of a cup of onions. All right. And I'll put just a tiny bit of about a tablespoon of sugar just to get the sweet. It really gets the flavor together. So this is it's just a small amount. It's not anyone here because the children are gone, so no one here can eat the soup but me.
And the businessman.
And the businessman, okay. So I'm going to put it on the stove. It's already now. Everything is already in it to go. So you see it now. Everything is there. So I'm going to put it on, and I'm going to let it cook at about on top of the burner with the top on it. I'm going to leave the top off about until it starts to boil. When it starts to boil, then I'll put the top on it, and it'll probably cook for about since it's so small, it shouldn't take too long. Probably about 35-40 minutes. It should be done. But otherwise, I'll be back with it in shortly, just as soon as it finishes. It's going to be cooked right now. Thank you. Okay. This is my final presentation of my vegetable soup. But, you know, now you don't find much juice in a lot of soup. Now, I didn't put a lot of water in it, but this is enough for me. So you can add more water, more broth, whatever you're going to stir it up in with. Okay. All right. So I just want you to see it. Like I said, I had only a pound of diced beef tips, what I made it out of. And it's no one but me, so I didn't worry about putting a lot of juice in it.
For her and the businessman.
Well, and the businessman, whenever
I can't eat it. I don't eat beef.
Okay. But DJ can't have any, so she doesn't eat beef or anything but turkey or chicken, so.
Oh, you eat chicken no more, just turkey.
Okay. Anyway, I'll let you see me just take a little taste. That's about it. Because it's very, very hot. Just come off the stove. But I wanted to have a chance to lay down and rest. My. Very delicious. Goodness gracious. I mean, when I say it's delicious, it is very good. I do have my cornbread, so I will be putting it in a little bit more. But I'm not going to try to do it. I did add peas and carrots and just a very little bit of elbow small macaroni to it to make it out. So otherwise I had big carrots, but I added the peas and carrots to give them my vegetable appearance, okay? But it's good. You all will enjoy this. And this is a cold winter. This is a cold winter night, and this is very good for a cold winter night all over. And y'all can make this little pot of stew or soup or whatever. But if you want to make it with more and more juice, all you have to do is add more tomato juice or more whatever you're going to put in it. But this is all I wanted for me and for the businessman. And since it's just the two of us, if the kids had been here, I would have put more juice in it. So I thank you all so much. Thank you all of my subscribers, all the new ones, all of my supporters, all the old ones, all of everyone that's in. I appreciate you so much, and I love you, and I want you all to enjoy this bowl of vegetable soup with me.
Please like the video. We really appreciate it. It will really help Miss Lena out a lot if you like the video. They help YouTube put it out in Amarillo. I know I said that wrong. But please like the video.
All right. Thank you so much. God bless everybody. Have a blessed night until tomorrow. We'll see you with another video. Goodbye from Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Bye-bye.